The way this tour has been designed is to be a total immersion into the culture. We experience all local restaurants, all local hotels. We're immersed in with the actual culture. Whenever we venture into towns, different towns and pueblos, we speak with expats. They speak with us. We can ask questions. We find out how they feel about living here and what their experiences are as expats in Ecuador. We visit a lot of places on the average tour that you wouldn't go to. We study Spanish every day. Spanish which relates to what we're going to do for that day. Something that we can use, whether we're going to go to the market and pick out fruit and then share that fruit with the other members that are on the team. It gives you an idea of what it is like, truly like, to live here and to be a part of the culture. I love it. It's been a great experience, and this is my second time to do the tour, so I might come and do it again. We never know.